And she work at 7-Eleven.
The fuck? Shut the fuck up.
No, that's so rude.
Alright. You work at 7-Eleven?
Huh?
You work at 7-Eleven?
Bro, what's up with you?
Let's say, shut the fuck up. Yeah!
Talk about sneaking shit in, they gonna check your ass, nigga.
If anybody, well, I'm not saying gonna be in my ass, nigga, it could be in your ass. The fuck?
Let me turn it off, please. So we can shut it.
Whoa, hold up!